The fourth cellular organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the term endoplasmic reticulum is the singular form of the organelle. Plural is endoplasmic reticula. Now, the endoplasmic reticulum is a system of flattened cavities and tubes which are lined by a membrane. The cavities and tubes form a system of interconnected channels within the cytoplasm. Now, the cytoplasm reticulum may be continuous with the nuclear membrane or the cell membrane. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth. The rough and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there are ribosomes attached onto the outer surface, and the membrane of rough endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the outer membrane of the nucleus. So you find that the rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached directly to the membrane of the nucleus. Function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is to transport the proteins that are synthesized by the ribosomes. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum does not synthesize the proteins. It only transports the proteins from one part of the cell to another. Now, the second type of endoplasmic reticulum is known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, as the name suggests, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, this is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lacks ribosomes on the outer surface. So, the outer surface appears smooth, hence the name. Function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that it synthesizes lipids and also transports lipids that it has synthesized from one part of the cell to the other. The next organelle is the Golgi Body, also known as the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi bodies appear as stacks of flattened vesicles surrounded by a membrane. These are the stacks of flattened vesicles that are surrounded by a membrane. They receive materials from rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, which they temporarily store and transform or package into secretory vesicles for dispatch out of the cell. So from the endoplasmic reticulum, there are vesicles known as the Golgi vesicles that pinch off the endoplasmic reticulum and move towards the periphery of the cell, where the vesicles join to form the Golgi Apparatus vesicles. These are elongated, flattened cavities. Now, at the other end of the Golgi apparatus, vesicles pinch off to form the secretory vesicles. These secretory vesicles move to the cell membrane, where they fuse with the cell membrane and release their contents to the outside. So, at one end, the Golgi body is continuously synthesized with the Golgi vesicles that originate from the endoplasmic reticulum. It may be the rough endoplasmic reticulum or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They join to form the Golgi body. Then within the Golgi body, the materials may be modified. They may be stored temporarily, but eventually they will be released in the form of secretory vesicles, which then fuse with the cell membrane and release the contents to the outside of the cell. The functions of the Golgi body are: 1. Processing and packaging of the synthesized materials, for example, the glycoproteins, such as mucus. Now, mucus is produced by very many cells in different parts of the body. Mucus plays such an important role, for example, like protecting the delicate membranes of tissues, by trapping dust particles and pathogens. Mucus also plays an important role in the regions of the body where there is movement, by acting as a lubricant. So, formation of mucus occurs in the Golgi body, where carbohydrate is combined with the protein to form materials such as the mucus. The second function of the Golgi body is transportation and, of course, secretion of the cellular materials in the form of secretory vesicles. The materials are transported from one part, that is the point where the Golgi vesicles join, to the other part where the secretory vesicles will pinch off. That is transportation. And then the very secretory vesicles are the vehicles through which the cellular materials are released to the outside of the cell. Then the third function is production of lysosomes. Lysosomes are other organelles that play such a critical role in cells. We look at this organelle, the lysosome, shortly. But then it's important to note that Golgi bodies are abundant in cells of secretory organs such as the liver and the pancreas. These organs have a secretory function, and cells within these organs are abundant in the Golgi body, because it is through the Golgi body that the secretory vesicles are produced.